Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing June's Boxycharm unboxing. So I'm super excited to do this video because I love my Boxycharm unboxing videos. I love Boxycharm. If you guys do not know what Boxycharm is, it is a monthly subscription. It's about $26 and change with the tax included. Every single month they charge you the first of the month, and then you do get a box in the mail couple days after. Usually it's about, for me, 10 to 12 days into the month I do receive my box. And yeah, you can get skincare, makeup. You can choose one product out of your 5 products that you get in your box. They are usually most of the time full size unless it's a very expensive bougie product, and sometimes they do give you a smaller version of it, but nothing like Ipsy travel size. Like, you always get something way bigger than that. So if you love skincare, makeup, you're trying to grow your collection, or you just want more higher end products in your collection, but you don't want to go out and pay full price for it, this is the way to do it. As well as they do have add-ons and pop-ups, which you can basically go on and buy like other things. They do send it separately. They don't put it in your actual box, but they do send it separately, and you can get high-end products on a huge discount. So that's always good. I will go ahead and link their website down below for your convenience only. I'm not an affiliate with them or anything like that. I mean, have you seen how many subscribers I have? But even though I am not like a huge YouTuber that has a huge influence, and I'm not obviously getting paid and this isn't sponsored, I am so thankful and grateful for you guys. We are at 141 subscribers. I was bouncing off the walls when we like got to 100, and now we're almost at 150. What? So thank you guys so much. I love you guys so much. I appreciate you guys so much. And I am back. I'm back. I know I took a couple days off and I didn't upload, and I do apologize, but girl, I don't know if it's the birth control or what, but my menstrual cycle is lasting for like a month, and I was exhausted. I was just so I do feel a little bit better. I feel myself, and I did not want to filming like this, like sluggish, and just because I feel like even though you might try to fake it till you make it, it still comes through. You can still tell when people are off, and I did not want that type of energy on this channel. So, sorry for the long intro. If you wanna know what I got in my box, keep on watching. Whoa, coffee is kicking in. Oh my God. My daughter's cracking up right now. If you guys wanna know about this look, it is the video that I did post before this. It's my full face of Wet n Wild using the SpongeBob collab palette. So if you want to know how I got this look, go ahead and pop over to that video after you watch this one. My box unfortunately did not make it to this video. They delivered my box at my rear entrance door. I have 2 doors to my apartment. One is like goes right to outside. It's like my patio French doors, and then I have another inside apartment door that is when you go out, you're still inside the apartment building. The boiler room is also right next to my apartment. So there was some sort of leaking. I'm not sure, but my box was delivered at the rear door instead of the front door. Well, to them it's the front door, but for me it's the rear door because I always use my rear door because it's, never mind, you guys don't care. Anyways, they delivered it at the opposite door that they normally do, and as much as I'm kind of thankful for that because it kind of does keep my box safer than just leaving it outside, it was very wet. Like, I guess there was some sort of leak or something, and my box was totally like just soggy and wet and just destroyed. So I did let the card air out because even the stuff inside the box was wet and kind of messed up, like the packaging. So a lot of the stuff isn't in its original packaging anymore. But yeah, I did leave this dry so that way I can read you the prices and talk to you about the products, but I don't have the actual box. So first thing in my box, which did come in a box, but again, it was wet and I had to throw it away, is the Glam Glow Super Cleanse Clearing Cream to Foam Cleanser. So I am super excited. I'm almost done with my e.l.f. cleanser, and I am enjoying that one right now. But yeah, I'm almost done with that one, so I'm gonna be in need of a cleanser soon. So I'm super excited. So this one goes for $32. It says an advanced cleanser with a powerful blend of 3 charcoals to detoxify the skin by removing pure clogging debris, excess oil, and face makeup. Awesome. So I'm super excited to try that. This is a product that I chose in my box. This is the Able Skincare Hyaluronic Acid Age Recovery Night Cream. This cream aims to restore skin's balance and infuse deep hydration and nourishment. It also works to improve skin texture while lessening the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Yes, please help me with my texture. This goes for $114. This is 1.694 ounces, 114. Oh my God, it kind of matches with my makeup. Cray. All right. This packaging did survive. It stayed nice and dry. This is the Luna Magic Beauty. Oh, no, it's not. No, it's not. This is the Jecca Black Hydrate Primer. And this goes for $20. So it says, finally, a moisturizer that'll help your makeup last longer. The Hydrate Primer will make your skin feel soft, hydrated, and ready for your base. So usually when you put on a primer, you have to kind of choose. Do you want it to help your makeup last? Do you want it to mattify your skin? Do you want it to hydrate, because maybe your skin's a little dry and you don't want your face to look patchy. But this one is supposed to hydrate your skin and make your makeup last longer. So that's always nice. My daughter's getting her toys out. I feel like this is tiny though. I mean, I don't know. I have a Wet n Wild primer here, so you can kind of like compare it. This almost looks like a little bit bigger than like a lip balm in a way. So I mean, holy crap, like here's another primer from Wet n Wild. So I don't know, maybe this is, so it's less than an ounce. It is 0.67 floor ounces. So for 20 bucks, I don't know. Is this tiny? This looks tiny. Can't wait to try that. So the fourth thing in my box is from Luna Magic Beauty, and it is their Va Va Voom Pink Lash Primer. With just one sweep, this innovative primer mascara glides on to evenly coat and smooth your lashes to maximize the final result of your favorite mascara. It has a natural wax formula with a creamy texture and new innovative emulsifier, which adds volume and extra length. It's easy to apply and long lasting. This goes for $25. So cool. It's so pretty. And last but not least, Touch in Sol Pretty Filter Glowdient Makeup Palette. A multi-face palette with gorgeous gradient shades that uses your own natural beauty to glisten, bronze, and add that perfect flirty flush. $34. And this is a new launch, which actually 2 products in my box are a new launch. So when they say new launch, I don't know if it's like just new and everyone has access to it, or if they haven't launched quite yet, but you get it first in their Boxycharm. I don't know, but they made it like known that it's a new launch, like right there. So this is a new launch as well. So this is new, and then this is a new launch. So this goes for $34. Which I love Touch in Sol. I love their primers. Every single time I have an option to choose one of their primers, I always do, because I love their primers. I love their face oils. I just love everything about Touch in Sol. So this is what it looks like. It looks so summery. I love the packaging. Oh my God. So like I said, this is the Glowdient Makeup Palette. My daughter's trying to make her way over here. Whoa, lost the paper. So it basically is like a highlighter bar. Like that's what it looks like to me. I wouldn't use this as blush or bronzer, maybe a bronzer topper if I want to look a little bit extra glowy. But for the most part, I would just use this as like highlighter and then maybe some like eyeshadow or something. I don't know, but it looks very, very pretty. So I cannot wait to try that. So let's add everything up and see how much this box was worth. Are you ready, guys? Are you ready? Were you already adding as I was telling you the prices? $225. That's crazy. I'm paying $26 a month and my total was $225 worth of products. Insane. And I know like this really jacked it up, which if I would have chose something else, my box would have been like obviously a lower value. But I did choose this because I was like, the $114, because it does let you know the value, like when you choose something. Yes, please. So yes, bougie on a budget. So these are all my products. And if I would buy this on my own, I would have been spending $225. So that's crazy. So I'm happy with this month's box. I got a little bit of makeup, a little bit of skincare. So it was like a nice mixture. So again, guys, I will go ahead and have their link down below. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you guys haven't subscribed already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. That way you will be alerted every single time I upload a new video. Until next time, bye. Oh, and don't forget to do the thumbs up.